Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to change the Google Voice ringtone on iPhone. First, confirm the Google Voice app is installed and signed into the right Google account, and that notifications and sounds are enabled in iPhone settings. Next, choose or import the ringtone you want, either a built-in iPhone tone or a file in Files. Open the Google Voice app and go directly to Settings. This is where you will link the app's incoming call sound behavior to the iPhone tones you prepared. Once inside Settings, tap Calls and look for incoming call options. Choose Use Device Ringtone when available so voice follows your iPhone tone. If that option isn't visible, switch strategy. Go to iOS Settings Notifications Google Voice and set the alert style and sound to your chosen ringtone. Make sure background app refresh is on so changes apply immediately. Also verify app permissions for sounds and microphone. Without them, ringtone mapping and call alerts may not behave as expected. Finish by testing. Call your Google Voice number from a different phone to confirm the ringtone plays. If you don't hear the expected tone, force quit the Google Voice app and reopen it, then reboot your iPhone to ensure system settings reload. As a key troubleshooting tip, if notifications remain stubborn, uninstall and reinstall Google Voice. Re-enable notifications and sounds, then reselect the ringtone. This clears cached settings and usually resolves persistent mismatches between the app and iOS sound settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.